हेलो बच्चों, गुड आफ्टरनून. वेलकम टू इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन प्लेटफॉर्म इन्फिनिटी लर्न. मैं हूं सुरेश अवारी, योर फैकल्टी ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. हाउ आर यू ऑल चिल्ड्रन? हाय जयंत, आरोशी दास, हाय लो, हाय. कैसे है? रंजन यादव, हाय. वेलकम टू द सेशन. गुड. How are you doing? Great. Great. You can see more viewers there. So welcome to this NEET STEP UP program 2025. So who can attend this session? This session is especially meant for those who are dropping in grade 12 and preparing for NEET examination in 2025, and also those students who are coming from 11th grade to 12th grade, they are also can attend this session. And this session main course is organic conversions. Today's topic of interest is organic conversions. Hello, good afternoon. Jagan, Abhishek, Narayan. Hello, Ranjan Yadav, right? Great. Sarah, Aroshi Das, hi. So what is the importance of these organic conversions? Most of the students feel organic chemistry is somehow clumsy, and they feel it organic chemistry is difficult. Sometimes it is confusing as well. The organic conversions is the topic where you can see, you can check yourself how your confidence levels in the organic chemistry. You can convert. I can say at the end of the session, I can assure you that in any part of the organic chemistry, you can convert a molecule, a reactant to the product. And also I can say this organic conversion right from alkane to amines, alkane, alkene, alkyne and halo compounds and carbonyl compounds and amines, all conversions are included in one shot. And I am going to give you the flow chart of how the organic conversions are going on. Shall we start? Yes, that is, still students are coming, right? Can you able to hear me? Just give thumbs up and fiery emoji if you are ready. Let's go into the session. Yes. Hi Pallavi. Great. Sonu, good. So what is the importance of organic chemistry in the NEET examination especially? In the NEET examination, every year, directly and indirectly it is connected to organic conversions. So let us see how the conversions are going on. I am going to give you a multiple dimensions in the conversion. Yes, it is a NEET STEP UP program. It is a daily based program. Jagan. Organic is easy if you feel it is. If you are fundamentally good, organic chemistry is damn easier. But if your fundamentals are not good, organic chemistry is so confusing. है ना? ये खुशी तो बात है. What do you say? Yes, how many of you say organic chemistry is easy? So type 1 if you say it is easy. Type 1 in the chat if you feel it is easy. Yes, of course. First year organic chemistry कब शुरू होगा? आरोशी दास, it is going to be started. It is a generalized conversions in all, both 11th and 12th. Any part of organic chemistry is easy, mind it, but proper exercise is required. Confidently you have to do it. Okay, so you feel this session is useful, and you please like and share with your friends, and subscribe to the Infinity Learn channel. So let's start about organic conversions in oxidation and reduction process. Shall we start? विनाइल क्लोराइड का फॉर्मूला CH2 C डबल बॉन्ड CH and Cl, that is vinyl chloride का फॉर्मूला सोनो, right. So let's talk about how the organic oxidation and reduction takes place, this one dimension. In the next I am going to give you the flow chart of how the organic chemistry conversions are classified and how we have to approach. And let us see here, if a carbon, hydrogen and hydrogen and hydrogen are given, what do you say? This is alkane. Carbon is tetravalent, something you can say it is R, alkyl group, whatsoever it may be. If oxidation happens, what happens? What is the meaning of oxidation? Oxidation is nothing but addition of oxygen. Let us add here. So what is the product you are going to get? R, C, H, H, ये ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पर घुस जाएगा, सो दैट आपको मिलेगा COH. अभी तो आल्केन अल्कोहल बन गया, ये अल्कोहल बन गया, और अल्कोहल आगे ऑक्सीडाइज करेंगे तो कर सकते हैं हम, और एक ऑक्सीजन घुस जाएगा, now can you believe two OH groups are in the same carbon atom? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Two alcoholic groups can be present on the same carbon atom. थोड़ा बहुत exceptions भी है. Here two alcoholic groups cannot stay on the same carbon atom. It is going to give you removal of water molecule takes place like this. आपका मिलेगा R, C डबल बॉन्ड वो H, ये क्या? आल्डिहाइड है ना. और एक बार ऑक्सीडाइज करना चाहता हूं मैं, this oxygen is going to enter here. Now this is going to be carboxylic acid. We are converting, you see this flow chart, alkane is converted into alcohol, alcohol is converted into either aldehyde or a ketone, or aldehyde is further converted into carboxylic acid. In this journey, we crossed all the functional groups, right? So this is process called oxidation process. क्या क्या oxidizing agent आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, right? You can use many oxidizing agents, very good oxidizing agents are there, chromic acid, pyridium dichromate, pyridium chlorochromate, and potassium permanganate in alkaline medium, many things you can do it. And in this session, after completion of these flow charts, I am going to do certain good questions, selected questions from the NCERT as well. Stay tuned till the end of the session, and you will understand the value and real extract of the session. Right? Fire emojis, you like this oxidation? Yes. So in the link में आपका टेलीग्राम का लिंक भी दिया, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. हमारा क्लासेस एब्सोल्युटली फ्री है, एवरीडे क्लासेस हैं, ठीक है. नाउ इफ यू गो ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन और द रिवर्स प्रोसेस, इफ यू रिड्यूस, this is a reduction process. Carboxylic acid can be converted into aldehyde, and aldehydes can be converted into alcohol, फिर भी alcohols can be converted into alkane. समझे? So oxidation and the reduction or the reverse process beta. Can you tell me very good reducing agents that are used in the organic chemistry? Put in the chat box if you know. A good reducing agents frequently we see in the textbook. Put in the chat box. Minu, hi. Hydrogen, Sonu, you said hydrogen is a reducing agent. You can say lithium aluminum hydride, reducing agent. we have sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride. We can use sodium in ethyl alcohol. We can use H2PD. Many are there. We are going to design a separate class for total oxidation reactions in the organic chemistry and one more class for total reduction reactions in the organic chemistry. So, in this session, as of now, I just want to give you the outlines and क्या reactions है, कहाँ पर oxidation हो रहा है, कहाँ पर reduction हो रहा है, ये reaction कहाँ इस्तेमाल करना, कैसे इस्तेमाल करना, बस, ठीक है बेटा? And what are the oxidizing agents that you see? PCC, PDC and CrO3, K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4 in the alkaline medium. So, these are the simple basic oxidizing agents, these are the simple basic reducing agents. Sir, you didn't talk about SnHCl, that is also reducing agent, but we don't use in a regular way. You know, this is the overall picture about how oxidation happens and how reduction happens. Okay? So, take a snapshot of this, simply take 1, 2, 3, because this is used as notes for you, right beta? आगे बढ़ेंगे? Yes. Next, let us talk about organic conversion का हम classify कर सकते हैं. Organic conversions, from the basics of any part of the organic chemistry book, organic conversions are broadly, I just want to classify. This is not a separate classification of organic chemistry, it is my classification. Aliphatic conversions and aromatic conversions. Aromatic conversions are the conversions where a benzene ring is directly involved in the conversion. ठीक है बेटा? Acidified HNO3 is a very strong oxidizing agent. Therefore, acidified HNO3 is not frequently used as an oxidizing agent. So, no, what you felt is it's an oxidizing agent. So, if any students has doubts, you can put in the chat box. I am going to address if this doubt is linked to the current context. Got it? Right. So, organic conversions are two types, aliphatic conversions and aromatic conversions. If the benzene ring in the conversion is directly participating in the reaction, that comes under aromatic conversion. And aliphatic conversion if benzene is not there, and this is of two kinds. One is conversion in which same number of carbons are there. So, in the reactant side and the product side, the same number of carbons are there, and you can also say ascending conversions and descending conversions. Ascending conversions है क्या? If the reactant has 3 carbons, in the product side if you have 4 carbons, so that is called ascending conversion. Carbon number is increased. That kind of conversion is called ascending conversion. And descending conversion, if the reactant has 3 carbons and the product has only 2 carbons. So, we are decreasing the length of the carbon chain. So, what are the reactions that we see here? What are the reactions that we see here? What are the reactions that we see here? And aromatic conversions, pure benzene related reactions, and you want to tamper the benzene here and there, you just simply use benzene diazonium chloride. Dear children, this route map allows you, when a question comes to you in the examination, a question kaise kaatna, how to address this question. You need to understand what exactly the question is asking, and ये मेथड इस्तेमाल करना, ये मेथड इस्तेमाल करना, आप मेंटली ट्यून रखना पड़ता है. So now I just want to discuss here in the next slide, here, total 5 categories I want to discuss. Are you okay? Fine. I'll use English as well as Hindi, not an issue, right? As the flow is going on, let me go ahead with that. ठीक है बेटा? Let us see, if same number of carbons are there, you can change the functional group, you can change the halogens, kind of things you can see. So let's see, conversion in the same number of carbons. So let us use a question. CH3, CH2, OH. How many carbon atoms are there in the reactant? 2 carbons. I just want to use pyridium chlorochromate. Now we have seen in the previous slides, alcohol is oxidized, you are going to get aldehyde. है ना? The same way, alcohol is converted into aldehyde. 2 carbons are there and 2 carbons are there. Like that, so many conversions you can see. CH3, C double bond O and CH3. If you go for reduction, this is going to be converted into CH3, COH and CH3. If you go for further reduction, you are going to get CH3, CH2, CH3. Now we have to connect to the textbook how this conversion has happened and which reagent has to be used. कौन सा reagent इस्तेमाल करना है? This is a simple reduction. A simple reduction के लिए आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं लिथियम अल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड और सोडियम बोरोहाइड्राइड, है ना बेटा? अरे you want to directly convert from here to here? Can you prompt somebody कौन सा reagent इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं? A carbonyl, a very famous named reaction in the organic chemistry textbook. I am coming to the only basic level only. From basic level up advanced level questions can be answered, right? Zinc, HCl, zinc amalgam and HCl, or NH2, KOH. If you use this reaction is called Clemmensen reduction. If you use this reaction is called Wolff-Kishner reduction. These are all present in the NCERT. है ना बेटा? Right? Bayer's reagent, सोनू, Bayer's reagent ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है. क्या Bayer's reagent क्या होता है बोलो? Bayer's reagent है क्या? Alkaline diluted KMnO4, ए पिंक कलर है. किस चीज के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं Bayer's reagent? Bayer's reagent is, Sony is asked about Bayer's reagent. That is KMnO4 in alkaline medium. KMnO4 in alkaline medium. It is an oxidizing agent. If you use an alkene, it is going to give you If it is an alkene, you are going to get OH, syndiol. Sony got it? It is a syndiol. Syn addition 1,2-diol is called syndiol. So let's talk about, आगे बढ़ेंगे. So we were talking about the same number of carbons. In this same number of carbons, you can go with direct oxidation, direct reduction, you can go for substitution reactions and all. Don't cover addition reaction. If addition reaction, carbon number बढ़ जाएगा, है ना? You can see many reactions from alkyl halide here. If it is an alkyl halide, you can go with NaI in acetone, you are going to get alkyl iodide plus NaCl. ये reaction का नाम क्या? जल्दी बोलो. Students, follow me. If you remember, you tell. If you don't remember, I'll tell. What is this reaction? Waiting for response, children. Come on. This is called Finkelstein reaction. If it is AgF, you are going to get alkyl fluoride. This is what you call a Schwarz reaction. Alkyl fluoride बना सकता, alkyl iodide भी बना सकता है ना. Now you can go for KCN, you can go for AgCN. अगर KCN इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा तो alkyl cyanide मिलेगा, AgCN इस्तेमाल करेगा तो alkyl isocyanide is a product. Got it? So these are the fundamental reactions. Children, believe me, if you go through the previous NEET examination papers, there is no reagent that is asked beyond NCERT, and now in the live session I am here discussing with all the reagents that are present in the NCERT. Any conversion to any conversion. You may feel that bada book pakad ke or 100 conversions or 200 conversions karna hai, and those reagents that are not present in the textbook also extra reagents सी कहेंगे तो आपको फायदा ही नहीं. You stick on to the reagent that is present in the NCERT. NCERT levels and NCERT boundaries are very important in NEET examination, especially for nowadays. It is boundaries are important, right? Stick on to the fundamentals, right? Now ascending conversion. Ascending conversion का मतलब number of carbon atoms increases from reactant to product. For that, if one carbon atom number you can use, go for cyanides. You can also use Grignard reagents. You can see CH3 CH2 Cl. कितना कार्बन आटम है उसमें? सिर्फ 2 है. If I use KCN, you are going to get CH3 CH2 and Cn. इसमें सिर्फ 2 कार्बन आटम्स है, इसमें 3 कार्बन आटम है. So this is called ascending conversion. Now ये ascending conversion पकड़ के आप functional group भी बदल सकते हैं ना. साइनाइड अगर आप हाइड्रोलाइज करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा CH3 CH2 Cn, ये COOH बनेगा. देखो इतना स्मार्ट है आप लोग को. इथाइल क्लोराइड टू प्रोपानोइक एसिड, इट मे बी इन अ सिंगल स्टेप और मल्टीपल स्टेप्स, है ना. यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर रिडक्शन. रिडक्शन में क्या कर सकता है? यू कैन यूज PD एंड H2. इट इज गोइंग टू बी रिड्यूस्ड. रिडक्शन का मतलब क्या? हाइड्रोजन घुसना है अंदर, right? So I am going to present you Jagan Naik, which objective books is the best for NEET. Definitely I am going to present that. Okay. So when hydrogen is added here, कार्बन के हिसाब टेट्रावैलेंस के हिसाब से CH3 CH2 एंड CH2 एंड NH2 प्रोपान 1 अमाइन मिल गया, प्रोपान 1 अमाइन मिल गया। सो कहाँ से कहाँ तक जा रहे हैं हम? सिंपली बाय कीपिंग द थिंग इन हाइड्रोलिसिस इज अ सिंपल रिएक्शन, हमको सबको पता है। दिस इज अ रिडक्शन, सबको पता है। अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हेन यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग यू आर अप्लाइंग इन द कॉन्सेप्ट, simply take this as an example. CH3 CH2 C triple bond N, है ना? So carbon to nitrogen bond is completely reduced, so that this bond and this bond हटा देंगे हमका CH3 CH2 C and nitrogen। नाउ टेट्रावैलेंसी तैयार रखने के लिए CH2 लिखना, NH2 लिखना, सो दैट आई वुड लाइक टू से 4 हाइड्रोजन्स। गॉट इट? दिस इज हाउ पॉइंट टू पॉइंट ऑर्गेनिक कन्वर्शन सीखना है, सीखने का तैयारी के इंपॉर्टेंट है। नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent, children? Come on, somebody prompt me, what is Grignard reagent? Chalo, if you know, that's fine. If not, I'm going to tell you. Grignard reagent, that is RMGX. R is an alkyl group, and X is a halogen. क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन, फ्लोरीन इस्तेमाल किया ना है। नाउ व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन यू सी द Grignard reagent? इसका बिहेवियर होता है क्या? ये बिहेवियर के हिसाब से रिएक्टिविटी डिपेंड करता है। दिस Grignard reagent is polar, so that R minus Mg plus is there, right? So R minus is an excellent base, a good nucleophile. Now conversions I am talking, students are now asking a question, sir, is mechanism is important in the organic chemistry? Of course it is important. So कैसे याद रखना एंड कैसे अप्लाई करना एग्जामिनेशन वक्त में? सो आई स्ट्रांगली प्रिफर लर्न mechanisms during preparation, and based on the track of the mechanism you just simply apply a thumb rule in the examination. Don't put mechanisms in the examination, because especially for NEET examination, believe me, you don't find that time, है ना? Whenever Grignard reagent is there in the examination, simply इसका behavior होता है क्या? इसका base है. Base means what is base? React with acid, it react with H plus. If it is a nucleophile, it undergo nucleophilic addition. So carbonyl groups इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा. So like that you have to classify how the things are going on, है ना बेटा? Okay, let's see how Grignard reagent is acting as a base. Let me tell you here, Grignard reagent, CH3 MgBr, it is going to react with any proton donating species. So proton donating species means acid, na? This is going to jump here, so that you are going to product as like this, simply like this. Then कौन देगा H plus? H plus देने वाला कौन है? H2O देंगे, because it has H plus and OH minus. फिनॉल दे सकते हैं, ये खतरनाक क्वेश्चन है. ये फिनॉक्साइड, and H plus. In the examination, some traps will be there, like what happened when phenol is treated with methyl magnesium bromide. When you see this question, आप अटक जाएगा, फिर phenol chapter में ये reaction आप देखें ना, but it is negative and plus, ये negative and positive पकड़ के CH4 होगा. This is a side product, we don't care, but the major product we will get is again methane. But we ignore it in the options. Some more options are given, but the simple option we are going to get is methane. Got it? Children, any doubts? Please ask any doubts you find. Let us see is a nucleophilic addition reaction, excellent reactions that you can see in the carbonyl compounds. Let's see here. Grignard reagent or MgX. It can react with carbonyl compounds. It could be aldehyde, or it could be ketone, or it could be formaldehyde, whatsoever. If it react with H, C, double bond O and H. Don't go in a detailed version of the mechanism. Simply check the molecule and see double bond O कौन सा एटम मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है, ये मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है, सो इलेक्ट्रो पॉजिटिव बनेगा, है ना. हमको पता है R minus is available because Grignard reagent is an excellent nucleophile, है ना. Yes, Pranav, I agree with you. Is 1 year is enough to crack cover chemistry backlogs? Everything is 1 year. My generalizer question, many students are asking at the chat box, is 1 year is sufficient for cracking NEET? I simply say big yes. आप सही सुना. Not only to cover the syllabus, not only to crack the NEET examination, but also आप topper भी बनना है. You can be the topper also, provided that proper dedication is important in preparing, in attending classes, taking tests and working on various test series and books. In this duration of the 1 year, not exactly 1 year dear, just less than that, you can be cracking NEET 2025 undoubtedly, I am telling you. But also added, you can be a topper, believe me. In this big experience, I have seen thousands of students who are just 300 score, 350 score, and attending year-long classes, they are able to score aggregate of 700. Believe me, it is happened. In 2025 also, the top marks also projected, right? Yes. Some student is asking 1 year to crack NEET for fresher. Of course, fresher का मतलब क्या? Those who are right now promoted from 11th standard to 12th standard is a fresher, I would say. Those who completed 12th standard in 2024 and aiming for NEET examination 2025, he says is a dropper. So dropper has some lags behind him. You identify your lags and work on how to overcome these lags, and you can be excel. And those who are studying promoted from 11th standard to 12th standard, you just understand what are the mistakes that can be done, and you avoid those mistakes, even you can be excel, right? So stick to the fundamentals, never go beyond NCERT, never and ever, right? So what I mean to say, can we go ahead? Any doubts? Any doubts, children? Yeah, I'll tell you the best books also, don't worry. Whatever. Voice cutting. Just wait for a while. Yes, keep asking doubts. Now we are going to take this negative charge. Negative charge कहाँ पर काटेगा बेटा? Positive charge atom से काटेगा, है ना? Therefore, this pi bond is going away towards the oxygen. Therefore, what you are going to get here? Simply this R is connected to C, O minus and H and H. Understand? Now, MgX. What if this is hydrolyzed? This is hydrolyzed. Hydrolysis means addition, H plus here, OH minus here, right? You are going to get RC. See the color code also from where an atom is going on. What is the product? Grignard reagent is reacted with formaldehyde and it gave a primary alcohol. Grignard reagent reacted with formaldehyde followed by hydrolysis gives primary alcohol. समझे बेटा? Yes, very good. Now let's see if it is other alcohol. The same Grignard reagent is reacting with some other alcohol, aldehyde, or MgX. Slowly you can listen, no problem. Partial negative charge, partial positive charge, right? Now again the same scenario. It is going to attack here and followed by hydrolysis. You are going to get R. C, R and H, O, MgX and followed by hydrolysis. You will get RC and ROH. What do you call this? Is secondary alcohol. The question can be asked in the reverse way also. Grignard reagent react with formaldehyde gives a primary alcohol. Other than formaldehyde, any aldehyde, Grignard reagent is going to give secondary alcohol. कमाल किया. अगर कीटोन इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा तो tell me in the chat box. Yes, Sarah, you have given correct answer. That's good. Keep interacting. I encourage my students to keep interacting in the chat. It's a live session. If I come and play all the reactions and you note it, कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा. You just be interactive and I am going to present answer for every question. ठीक है? So for sake, I just want to use ketone. RMgX, फिर भी Mg plus and R minus. You will be getting partial negative charge, फिर भी positive charge. What is the key point in the entire reaction? Identifying the positive charge and negative charge is the one key point. And Grignard reagent का behavior है क्या? A nucleophile. What is a nucleophile? जो रिएजेंट नेगेटिवली पॉजिटिवली चार्ज कार्बन एटम में काटना है, the reagent which attacks the positive charged carbon is called a nucleophile, and this is going to attack, that is called nucleophilic attack, hai na? So what is the product? Can you guess? Children, put in the chat box what is the, yes. Preeti Gaikwad, good. Sarah also given correct answer, good. Let's see here, R and it is going to be C, R and OMGX followed by hydrolysis. What are you going to get? Simple, fatafat kar do. So you will be getting it's a tertiary alcohol. सिर्फ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट्स से आप प्राइमरी अल्कोहल बना, सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल, टर्शियरी अल्कोहल भी बना सकते. कमाल किया. सो दिस इज द वे यू नीड टू लर्न द ऑर्गेनिक कन्वर्शन. कहां से कहां तक पहुंच रहे हैं हम. गॉट इट बेटा? राइट. मुखर्जी हाई, टर्शियरी अल्कोहल इज करेक्ट आंसर. गुड. Now, how the question can be asked? Simply, a particular alcohol will be given in the question. ये अल्कोहल बनाने के लिए कौन सा ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं? That will be given A, B, C, D options. आगे ये कॉन्सेप्ट के बाद एक क्वेश्चन भी डिस्कस करेंगे. समझ में आ रही है क्या बेटा? Yes. So after this, you can see these are all ascending conversions. Let us go for the descending conversions. In the descending conversions, हाँ जसवीर क्या पूछना चाहता हूं आप? आपका क्वेश्चन क्या बोलो? And in the chat box, we are presenting the links for NEET STEP UP program and the Telegram channel NEET 2025 Rank Assurance program. These links you please click on and like it and share it, okay? And you will be getting a benefit of it. Definitely super awesome lecture, super awesome test series you are going to get, right? हाँ. अरे नीट का डाउट क्लियर कर दो प्लीज. नीट का डाउट आप पूछना है ना. ओके, कम ऑन. डिसेंडिंग कन्वर्शन मीन्स either you can go with Hoffman bromamide reaction. This is also called as Hoffman degradation. This Hoffman bromamide reaction is generously used to decrease one carbon number. Let us say R C double bond O NH2. If you go for NaOH and Br2, you see the flow that we are following, that indicates the level of confidence in the organic chemistry. Students are outstandingly doing the chart box. I can see when I am writing the equation, they are telling the products. I really appreciate it. So what happens? Simply ये carbonyl group हटा देना. Don't look into the mechanism. It's a rearrangement. जसवीर सिंह नीट होगा and preparation continue रखो. हाँ, definitely you continue with the preparation. You will be getting a very best rank. Right? So if you remove this, you are going to get RNH2. So if you see this compound has n number of carbons, in the product you are going to get n minus 1 number of carbons. This is called descending conversion. Got it beta? It's a primary amine. Amide functional group से primary amine बन गया. You can also go with the decarboxylation. What is decarboxylation? Removal of carbon dioxide, removal of carboxylic group. Say an example, CH3, CH2, COOH. उसमें कितना कार्बन है? 3. If you heat with calcium oxide and sodium hydroxide, it is called soda lime. This carboxylic group is removed as carbon dioxide. You will be getting a product CH3, CH2, CH4. So इसमें C3 है and it is C2 है. ये कार्बन कम हो गया. This is a descending conversion. So when you go in the main course of the regular classes, तो decarboxylation कैसे करना है, decarboxylation का mechanism क्या होगा, decarboxylation का special cases क्या हो, beta keto carboxylic acids can be easily decarboxylated, even you don't use soda lime, simply heat करने तो हो जाएगा. So those things we are going to see. So फिलहाल हम क्या किया, aromatic conversions and aliphatic conversions. Aliphatic conversions same number of carbons का देखा, ascending conversions and descending conversions. Now we are switching into aromatic conversions. Let's see the aromatic conversion beta. We'll go in the last. In the aromatic conversions, there are 5 golden reactions of benzene, but that's it. Does benzene behave like an alkene or not? Simply put in the chat box yes or no. My question, does benzene react like an alkene or not? Behavior का benzene क्या होगा? Put in the chat box, children. Yes, सारा ओके. बेंजीन का जो रिएक्शन है ना, आल्कीन का बराबर होता है द बेंजीन. इसमें 3 डबल बॉन्ड्स हैं. सो 3 डबल बॉन्ड के वजह से ये आल्कीन का बिहेवियर का बराबर होगा ना ही होगा. ओके, आई से बिग नो, ऐसे नहीं होगा. बेंजीन का रिएक्शंस बिल्कुल अलग है. बेंजीन रिएक्टिविटी इज नॉट इक्वल टू आल्कीन, क्योंकि बेंजीन में एरोमेटिसिटी है, डीलोकलाइज्ड पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन सिस्टम है. इसके वजह से ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल ऐड कर नहीं सकते, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. राइट? सो इट अंडरगो इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन. दैट इज द थंब रूल. Benzene has C6H6. For your convenience, हाइड्रोजन हियर, हाइड्रोजन हियर, हाइड्रोजन हियर, 6 हाइड्रोजन्स, एक हाइड्रोजन आपको दिखाई दे रहा हूं. ठीक है बेटा. नाउ एक इलेक्ट्रोफाइल आके ये हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करेंगे. दैट इज कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन. लेट अस सी वेरी सिंपल 5 रिएक्शंस. If it react with chlorine in the presence of FeCl3, this chlorine is going to substitute the benzene. Therefore, what happens? Chlorination takes place. Side product HCl. If it react with HNO3 and H2SO4, you are going to get nitrobenzene. I don't want to show you the mechanisms and all in the regular classes. We are going to see a special class on the mechanism on electrophilic aromatic substitution. आज का क्लास जो है ना सिर्फ कन्वर्शन कैसे करते हैं, कौन सा रिएजेंट इस्तेमाल करना है, ठीक है बेटा. Now if it is with H2SO4 and SO3, or you can also say H2S2O7, fuming sulfuric acid, sulfonation takes place, benzene sulfonic acid, If it is with CH3Cl in the presence of AlCl3, you are going to get CH3, alkylation takes place. This is what you call it as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If it is with CH3, C double bond O Cl, AlCl3, you are going to get acetophenone. This is what you call it as Friedel-Crafts acylation. In the NEET examination, hi Azka, hello, came late. Okay, in this all these only benzene you have seen the question paper, बड़ा बड़ा structures दिखते हैं ना, वो बड़ा structure देखने के बाद हमको डर लगता है, लेकिन every big reactions, this is the fundamental reactions they are followed. Reaction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कितना रिएक्शन बोला? 5 गोल्डन रिएक्शंस ऑफ बेंजीन, बस इससे ऊपर कुछ नहीं होगा. बिलीव मी, इससे ऊपर कुछ नहीं होगा. ना उसमें ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल इज सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग हियर, उसमें इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है क्या? नीट का क्वेश्चन है. Cl प्लस इज द इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, उसमें इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है क्या? NO2 प्लस इज द इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, उसमें इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है क्या? सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इज द इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. ओके, सो ऑब्जेक्टिव पैटर्न एग्जामिनेशन में क्वेश्चन कैसे पूछ सकते हैं, अब क्वेश्चन कैसा आंसर करना है. उसमें इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है क्या? CH3 प्लस, एंड उसमें इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है क्या? C डबल बॉन्ड O एंड CH3 प्लस. बस एक ही स्लाइड में 5 reactions with 5 electrophiles have shown, so that you can able to answer from this single slide 10 questions, and a combination also you can do it. Got it beta? Great, great. Okay, so regarding you're asking about books and all, first of all I just want to say we are from Infinity Learn. It is giving the best online platform for exam preparation for NEET 2025. We have Ranker series and Achiever series, well crafted books and well defined books designed by eminent experienced faculties, and you can pursue it and you can feel the difference. And without hesitation I am telling you, this 2024 NEET examination question paper is analyzed, and most of the questions, sent questions are coming from this Ranker series and Achiever series books from Infinity Learn. Believe me, you just go through it, you will understand. And one more thing, stick on to the NCERT. NCERT is just like a golden book. Whatsoever you want to study, you study there itself. You don't try to learn anything new from other outsourced textbook. Has no use. You want to do exercises and formula sheets and exercise sheets from other sources. ठीक है बेटा? And in the test series also we are offering, and you can follow that, and the links are given in the Telegram channel. You follow, then you will understand. है ना? Great. Give thumbs up, fire emojis. Rohit, don't worry, you're new to chemistry, but today you say you are not understanding the chemistry in the previous one. After attending the classes with me, you really analyze and you agree that you understand chemistry and you will excel in chemistry in the examinations also. Rohit, I can give you that confidence. Give love emoji then. Got? Yes. Moving ahead, directive influence of the benzene. Great, great, great. Great. So, directive influence of benzene. So, most of the students confuse here only. अगर एक सब्स्टिट्यूटेड बेंजीन रिंग है, you can say this is a group. If it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction, the coming product is going to be orthodirector or paradirector or metadirector. If this group has positive mesomeric effect, का मतलब क्या? इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्जुगेशन का वजह से इलेक्ट्रॉन देने वाले हैं. So in that case, the product is going to be with respect to that group, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल आर्थो होगा, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल पैरा भी होगा. या आर्थो पैरा में कौन सा मेजर होता है, दूसरा कहानी है. RBS, ओके सुनीता, राइट. अगर ये ग्रुप को नेगेटिव मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट और नेगेटिव रेजोनेंस इफेक्ट होगा तो व्हाट इज नेगेटिव मेसोमेरिक इफेक्ट? इलेक्ट्रॉन इज गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम द बेंजीन रेजोनेंस के हिसाब से. अगर इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन होगा तो आपका प्रोडक्ट सिर्फ एक ही आएगा मेटा पोजीशन में. ये टर्म रूल इंपॉर्टेंट है, सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है. यस. नाउ हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई आर्थो ग्रुप और पैरा ग्रुप? जो भी ग्रुप है आपके पास, OH, OCH3, like halogens, they are ortho and para directors, and many groups are there. I'll give you the trick also how to identify that. If it is CHO group, NO2 group, okay, and COOH type of group or CN type of group, this is going to be meta director. Of course, ring is less reactive, ring deactivation होगा. And the ring is activated here. Why it is deactivated, why it is activated, we'll see in the main course class. Okay, Gaurav, that's a different question. So let's talk about the content here. Let's ignore. After directive influence, we have to come across with benzene diazonium chloride reactions. Take a snapshot of this. This is very useful. If you have this mind in your examination, you can directly put the answer. Simple trick है ना? Simple trick. हाँ, विश्वास कुमार, tell me. चलो. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Good afternoon, beta. Came late? हाँ, RBS, I just want to tell you the homework I am going to present in the session itself. You can do it. Root mapping questions, you can do it. Hope you are following the concept. Thumbs up. Those who are not able to solve basic level of questions also, after my session, I can assure you that you will do it. And I am going to do some sample questions also. Very good number of questions and selected questions I made it, and I'll do it. Okay, benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene से क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? Big root map है बेटा. Benzene diazonium chloride is also called as BDC. You can see the board is completely empty, and I am going to present you a क्या benzene. बेंजीन सिंपली नाइट्रेट करो, HNO3 H2SO4, you are going to get nitrobenzene. This is nitrobenzene, nitration of benzene we have already learned. Just I want to use kind of SN and HCl. It's a reducing agent. So when reducing agent is used, what happen? Hydrogen add करना and oxygen remove करना है ना? So दो oxygen remove करके दो हाइड्रोजन लगा देता हूं, एक हाइड्रोजन का एक ऑक्सीजन रिमूव करने के लिए दो हाइड्रोजन इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा, दो ऑक्सीजन रिमूव करना है, चार हाइड्रोजन इस्तेमाल करना है और फिर दो हाइड्रोजन लगाना है, टोटल 6 हाइड्रोजन चाहिए हमको. द नंबर इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. हाँ, थैंक यू विश्वास कुमार. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट यू कॉल इट एज अनिलीन. This aniline is treated with NaNO2 in the presence of HCl. You have to maintain 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Otherwise the compound that is formed may decompose. So it forms N2Cl. This is benzene, diazonium chloride, BDC. BDC is the key point where you can do any manipulation with benzene ring. The benzene has this bond with any functional group. You don't dare to break this bond unless you convert into benzene diazonium chloride. ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक करना मना है बेटा, ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक करना मना है, लेकिन ये बॉन्ड आप ब्रेक कर सकते हैं. दैट इज द रीजन वाई बेंजीन डायज़ोनियम क्लोराइड इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. राइट नाउ दिस बेंजीन डायज़ोनियम क्लोराइड एनिलीन टू बेंजीन डायज़ोनियम क्लोराइड प्रिपरेशन आपको बोलेंगे डायआज़ोटाइजेशन. नाउ फ्रॉम बेंजीन डायज़ोनियम क्लोराइड क्या क्या कर सकते हैं आप? हाँ विश्व कुमार, ये सब रिएक्शंस नीट एग्जामिनेशन क्रैक करने के लिए बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सीधा इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं आप लोग. ओके, आगे बढ़ेंगे. सो रनिंग टाइम विथ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड द स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो इन लॉट ऑफ एनर्जीज. ग्रेट. And please subscribe this YouTube channel and share this video with your friends also, and join in Telegram channel so that you are going to get various updates in NEET 2025 Step Up program. Right? So benzene, Vishwa Kumar, I am attending. Benzene is reacted with nitration mixture and gives nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is reduced to get aniline. Aniline is diazotized, mean to say NaNO2 HCl reacts करेंगे तो अब aniline benzene diazonium chloride बन गया. मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, अगर कोई कन्वर्शन बेंजीन के हिसाब से करना है तो any functional group that is directly attached to the benzene cannot be tampered, cannot be broken. ये bond break करना मना है, ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक करना मना. बट वंस इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू बेंजीन डायज़ोनियम क्लोराइड, दिस बॉन्ड कैन बी इजीली ब्रोकन, कैन बी कन्वर्टेड. आगे स्लाइड में आपको दिखा देंगे बेंजीन डायज़ोनियम क्लोराइड का रिएक्शन क्या क्या हो सकता है. समझे बेटा विश्वा? राइट. नाउ बेंजीन डायज़ोनियम क्लोराइड. This is benzene diazonium chloride. It can have various number of reactions, CuCl and HCl. Sandmeyer reaction you can directly convert it into benzene, chlorobenzene. Hi. Arhan. You can also say CuBr and HBr, you will get bromobenzene. And you can also say CuCN and KCN, you are going to get cyanobenzene, benzene carbonitrile, correct, सही IUPAC नाम का है. And someone said, okay, Arhan, Gatterman reaction भी है. If you say copper in HCl, you are going to see chlorobenzene. If at all, these reactions are called Sandmeyer reactions. This reaction is called Gatterman reaction. Gatterman reaction. सही बोला आप. Next. When you see these same reactions, H3PO2 डायरेक्टली आपका सीधा प्लेन बेंजीन मिल जाएगा. इफ यू यूज H2O, सिंपली वार्म इट, आपका फिनॉल मिलेगा. If you use, you can see here, nowhere iodine is used. When you go for haloalkanes in grade 12, reacting with fluorine, reacting with iodine is not a direct process. We need a special process. In the same way, you can see. Again, take a snapshot of this. Next slide, I am going to use it, children. That is Bal-Shaman reaction, Arhan. Appreciate your response. Take a snapshot of it. Jaldi. Come on. 1, 2, 3. हो गया? Right. Now, benzene diazonium chloride, when it is treated with HBF4, you are going to get N2BF4. Now, this N2BF4 can react with you can simply heat it, fluorobenzene you will get it. You can react with NaNO2 simply, it can react with nitrobenzene. Or you can simply add potassium iodide, you are going to get iodobenzene. What not, every conversion we made it. Diazonium chloride से fluorobenzene बन गया, diazonium chloride से iodobenzene भी बन गया. Now you can see here nowhere iodine and fluorine is directly used. And one more misconcept is there with the students. This is called Sandmeyer reaction, this is Gatterman reaction. ये reaction का नाम है क्या? इसका नाम नहीं है. Coupling reactions also can be done. Arhan, I don't want to discuss in the general conversions. Diazo coupling, yellow color dye, orange color dye, we can do it with phenol and aniline. समझे? Got it? And very simple confusing things are there. I just want to reveal that. CH3, CH2Cl. If you use potassium hydroxide aqueous, potassium hydroxide alcoholic. If you use alcoholic potassium hydroxide, it prefer elimination minded. Elimination का मतलब क्या? You have to eliminate this. So as a result, you are going to get a product CH2 double bond CH2. If you use an aqueous one, substitution takes place. As substitution takes place, the product is completely changed. CH3, CH2, OH. Alcohol बन गया, alkyl halide gives rise alcohol, and alkene. Got it? Yes, yes, yes. Good. Vishwas Kumar, we are going to address you personally, right? Then substitution occur in aqueous. Substitution occurs in aqueous, that's what I have written now. Chlorine is substituted with alcohol. This is substitution reaction, right? Now one more important reaction. CH3, if it is treated with chlorine in the presence of light. It is treated with chlorine in the presence of AlCl3. Of course, any Lewis acid आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते, FeCl3 also. So what you are going to get? If you use chlorine in the presence of light, substitution takes place at alkyl part, because light is there. In the presence of light, substitution takes place at alkyl part. alkane का जैसे रिएक्ट होगा तो आपका प्रोडक्ट है CH2Cl बन गया. इसका नाम क्या? चार्ट बॉक्स में फटाफट डालो. ये कंपाउंड का नाम क्या? बेंजाइल क्लोराइड. क्लोरोबेंजीन अलग है, बेंजाइल क्लोराइड अलग है, दोनों जैसे सेम दिखता है ना. हाँ, you can learn all the reactions RBS definitely. Now if AlCl3 इस्तेमाल किया, benzene ring substitution takes place at benzene. If substitution takes place on benzene, it is an ortho director and a para director. आपका product मिलेगा CH3 and Cl and CH3 and Cl. See how the product is changed. Simple condition is changed. Organic reaction. Bas. We are talking about these organic reactions since last 70 minutes और 10 मिनट बाकी है. इतना ही होगा ऑर्गेनिक रिएक्शन, इससे ऊपर नहीं है. मे बी दर एक्सटेंशंस आर देयर. यू कैन फील इट हाउ मच स्मॉल द ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री इज. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हर रिएक्शन आपको बोल लिया, लेकिन इतना डिटेल पर नहीं है. इफ यू लर्न दीज रिएक्शंस इन डिटेल, यू कैन एक्सेल इन द ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. देयर इज नो डाउट 180 आउट ऑफ 180 केमिस्ट्री में जिम्मेदारी हो आपको मिलेगा. Please try to attend regular classes on the regular basis and definitely you will excel it. It's a methyl group is an activating group beta, because alkyl group is having positive hyperconjugation effect. Yesterday YouTube class में हम hyperconjugation के बारे में lecture दिया था. So you can find it. CH3 hyperconjugation, sigma pi electron conjugation, याद है आपको? Thank you. And get ready now. We are going to do. Take a snapshot of this. 1, 2, 3. हो गया? Right. Now we'll start the questions. How to convert? अभी अंधेरे में क्वेश्चन देखें हम. How to convert 1 to 1. Method also I just tell you. How to convert propene to propan 1-ol. A question can be solved in one way or multiple ways. Both ways I will tell you. Right? So first of all we have to write what exactly it is asked. Propene का मतलब CH3 CH double bond CH2 and propan 1-ol CH3 CH2 and CH2OH. बस. How do you convert this? First reactant लिखना है आप, बाद में प्रोडक्ट लिखना है, आपको पता चलेगा क्या करना है, क्या सोचना. ऑक्सीडेशन, ओके, alkene oxidation beta Sara, it gives a different one. And हाँ, second attempt भी ये Krishna Verma, okay, let it be first attempt or second attempt, doesn't matter, and commitment and dedication is important beta. अगर ये साल में drop करेंगे तो dedicate करो, you will be a topper. Yes, if you use, there are different methods. Arhan is given one method, I will just follow what is that method. According to Arhan, you want to use H2O and H plus. It is called acid catalyzed hydration, right? If that happens, Markovnikov rule के हिसाब से आपका मिलेगा CH3 CH and CH3 OH. This is a propan 2-ol. सवाल में क्या पूछा? propan 1-ol क्या चाहिए? So ये रास्ता पकड़ना गलत बात है बेटा. So this is not the actual pathway, है ना? Okay, और एक बार मैं कोशिश करना चाहता हूं. This can be converted into HBr in peroxide. You can convert into CH3, CH2, CH2Br, है ना? 1 ब्रोमोप्रोपेन बन गया. एंटी मार्कोनिकॉव एडिशन का हिसाब से पेरोक्साइड इफेक्ट, है ना? सो दैट आगे आप हाइड्रोलाइज करेंगे तो KOH में बोला previously. If you use alcohol KOH, substitution reaction takes place, SN2 reaction. This is going to get CH3, CH2, CH2OH, propan 1-ol. ये आंसर सही है ना? और एक बात बताओ, मेरे पास इतना पेशेंस नहीं है और तुरंत करने हैं, आप भी कर सकते हैं. देखो, दिस कैन बी डन विथ BH3 THF H2O2 and OH minus. You are going to get CH3 CH2 CH2OH, propan 1-ol. याद है रिएक्शन? ये रिएक्शन का नाम क्या? अरहान, ग्रेट, दैट्स गुड. दैट इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रोबोरेशन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन. मजाक से बोल रहा हूं मैं, ये HBO बोलेगा, हॉलीवुड बॉक्स ऑफिस, हाइड्रोबोरेशन एंड ऑक्सीडेशन, है ना? सो यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. सो व्हाट आई मीन टू से, अगर आप एक बुक खोलेंगे तो इसका आंसर सिर्फ देखेगा, बट यू जस्ट टेक दिस सेशन एज एन एग्जाम्पल. ये कन्वर्शन करने के गलत बात क्या है, सही बात में अलग अलग रास्ता कैसे होगा, दैट इज माई वे ऑफ टीचिंग एंड दैट इज द वे यू हैव टू लर्न. समझे बेटा? गॉट इट? क्लियर? और एक कन्वर्शन करेंगे. चलो, कन्वर्ट प्रोपान 1-ol टू प्रोपेन. फिर क्या? गो बैक. प्रोपीन टू प्रोपान 1-ol हम उल्टा करने को कोशिश कर रहा हूं. If anybody gives the answer, I would be very happy. HBO is in addition, but anti-Markovnikov rule. हाँ, Arhan, I just want to correct you. What you said is correct, but it is in addition or anti-addition. NEET का boundary में अंदर ना आएगा. But what you said is correct. It is anti-Markovnikov addition. ठीक है बेटा? Stereochemistry of addition reactions are not important for alcohols. It is only for this alkyl halides HBr addition ऐसे Br2 and CCl4 तक काफ़ी है. ठीक है बेटा? Now propan-1-ol rule number 1, पहले ये reactant लिखना, CH3 CH double bond CH2, सिंपल वन शॉट कन्वर्शन में हो जाएगा. नो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी हियर, सिंपल वन शॉट कन्वर्शन. Now this can be simply heated in the presence of H2SO4. Therefore water molecule is eliminated. OH यहाँ पर है, हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर है. This is called acid catalyzed dehydration of alcohol. सारा correct. That's good. Nice motivation. आगे बढ़ेंगे और कुछ करेंगे. Right. But1 into iodobutane. But1 into iodobutane. Rule number 1. पहले ये क्या, But1 in iodobutane क्या, 1 iodobutane. How do you convert? Is it possible in a single step? We need a multiple steps. Okay, Vishwas Kumar, Krishna Verma, focus on the concept. So if you have any academics doubts, you post it. I am going to write. With Ki, potassium iodide, Jagan, potassium iodide is directly added na. Salt, potassium iodide is a salt beta. Salt अल्किन से कहीं न रिएक्ट होगा. ठीक है. सो यू करेक्ट योर सेल्फ. यू स्टूडेंट्स हैज सो मेनी मिसकॉन्सेप्ट्स. पहले ये मिसकॉन्सेप्ट हटा दो. सॉल्ट डू नॉट रिएक्ट विथ अल्किन. नाउ कैसे करना, मैं शुरू कर लेता हूं. CH3 CH2 and CH double bond CH2. Now HBr in the peroxide. क्योंकि आयोडीन मेरे को पहले कार्बन एटम में चाहिए. Therefore I just want to give you 1 ब्रोमो ब्यूटेन बन गया. अभी ये ब्रोमीन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं सोडियम आयोडाइड एसीटोन. So bromine is going to be substituted with iodine. It is going to give you CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2I. Now Jagan, I said salt do not react na. सही सुनो फिर भी. Salt do not react with alkane, but salt react with other things na. It is alkyl halide beta. ठीक है बेटा. Right, that's good. That's good. ये रिएक्शन का नाम क्या है बेटा? बच्चों बोलिए, ये रिएक्शन का नाम क्या? फटाफट बोल दीजिए. हाँ. It is good. Finkelstein reaction. So far, what is the moral of the story? Those conversions I am doing, and many conversions that we discussed now, as a part were asked in previous NEET examination. आपको नहीं पता है. And majority of these conversions are taken directly from NCERT. You see the power of NCERT. Right? Now auric, we are coming to close. So 90 minutes class, how it is completed, even I am just surprised because the level of energy, the level of motivation you guys have. Okay, come on. Convert 1 bromopropane to 2 bromopropane. है क्या? 1 bromopropane है क्या? CH3, CH2, CH2, Br is converted into CH3, CH, Br and CH3. So, bromine from one place is replaced to another place. In such reactions, children, you don't have a single shot. You have to go in the multiple places. Okay. RBS, definitely for your 11th grade as well as your 12th grade, we are going to present you the continuous classes throughout the year on YouTube. Please like and share it, so that, and also you attend a regular basis classes. Definitely you are going to see the entire syllabus beta. RBS, ठीक है? If you not understand the 11th standard, okay, so overall revision of total 11th and 12th class lessons will be taught. ठीक है बेटा? So let us complete this question. First remove this. How to remove bromine from here? Elimination करना है. Potassium hydroxide alcohol, simply you will get eliminated product. Propene बन गया. Now simply you add HBr. Markovnikov rule. Negative part of the reagent attaches to the carbon of double bond. जिस कार्बन में कम हाइड्रोजन्स होगा वहाँ पर नेगेटिव रिएजेंट काटेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड Markovnikov rule, so that you are going to get 2 bromopropane. Got it? So simple conversions, simple तरीका से कर सकते हैं. Dear children, we are coming to the end of the class. Hope you understood the concepts of conversions, what we discussed in today's class. In oxidation and reduction methodology, we completed what conversion in oxidation direction and reduction direction. In the other way, we classify self-classified organic conversion, aliphatic and aromatic, and in the aliphatic, aromatic and different conversions we have seen, and we have seen the all NCERT related reagents and we applied directly here. So hope you are all enjoyed my session, and please like and share this session with your friends and subscribe to the Telegram channel. Thank you for being with us. God bless you. We'll see you in tomorrow's class on electrochemistry. Stay tuned. Bye bye.